Hello, Namaste. This is Prerna from the Crafty Street. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you a new project that I made. This is a mini album, actually a mini tag album. So this is made up of all tags actually, and it has 10 pages inside which are all tags, and these are held by this metal ring. So this mini album measures 3 inches by 5 inches. Now I have made this using the paper pack called Love is in the Air. This is a very nice paper pack. It has really beautiful paper and die cuts. So as you see, this is the front and this is the cover page. I made it using some heavy cardstock, front and the back. So these are really heavy to kind of hold it together. And yeah, so let me just open it and show it to you. So this is the first page. So you can put some messages here and place some photos as well. I have used a lot of die cuts in this mini album. Also used some of the paper scraps in the form of strips and fringes, as you see here. So I'll just turn to the next page. So each of these each of these individual tags, they have a white background in the back to kind of put down your messages or for journaling basically, and to paste photos as well. Now this is another beautiful page which has this really cute couple here. This has been raised by a double-sided foam tape. So all the images in this mini album, I have used foam tapes to kind of give it a pop-up effect. So that dimensional effect that you kind of it looks attractive. So yeah, to build a little more interest basically. So yeah, so I'll move to the second page now. So third page actually. Again, you see the white page here. Now this page has a side pocket, a triangular pocket actually, which has these two die cuts. So you can use the die cut here, or you can just place it back. You can put a message down back here. Same with this one. The next one says, "You mean the world to me." As I said earlier, all these are raised with the help of dimensional tapes. So these are basically foam tapes. Now this one has a side pocket. It has small journaling spots. These are really small because the mini album itself measures 3 by 5. So you can imagine these are really small, but these look really cute. The next one is soulmates. So I'll just lift it up and I'll try to show you, what it looks like from a closer view. Right. All right. Moving on to the next one. This says "Ever Yours." And another one. This again has a pocket, 2 journaling spots, as well as you can place smaller photos here. Again, this is one of the border strips in the paper pack which I used. This went really good with this mini album. The next one says "Be Mine." So this is the last page actually, and this is the final one. So this is the back cover basically. So yeah, this is pretty much. I really had a lot of fun making this album. I started out with making tags, but in the crafting world you get ideas as you kind of work out. So yeah, I thought that I could make a mini album out of it. So instead of making individual tags, so yeah, this is what I came up with, and this turned out really great. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you liked it and if you would like to see tutorials in the future. Thanks a lot.